In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media to Shopify. Full 2025 guide. By the end, your store will display clean, clickable social icons that lead customers straight to your profiles, helping you build trust and keep shoppers engaged beyond your site. First, sign into your Shopify admin and head to Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you're working on, usually your current theme will be at the top, and open the customizer by clicking Customize or Edit Theme. This opens the live theme editor where we'll make all of our changes. Inside the theme editor, look for the Theme Settings panel. Depending on your theme, it's typically in the left sidebar or as a gear icon. Open it, then select Social Media. This is where Shopify collects all your social profile fields, so your theme can automatically generate the icons in your header or footer. Now, type or paste your social profile URLs into the fields provided. Use the complete, secure links, starting with HTTPS, rather than just a username. For example, paste the full address to your Facebook page, your Instagram profile, your X, formerly Twitter, profile, and so on. Avoid shortened links and don't paste individual post URLs. You want the home pages of your profiles so your icons always point to something that won't disappear. Click into each field one by one and paste the correct link. Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Threads, or any other networks your theme supports. Leave any platform you don't use completely blank. Shopify won't display an icon for empty fields, so your footer won't get cluttered. If you run multiple brands or regions, double-check you're pasting the link for the right account to keep your branding consistent. When you've added everything, look to the top right of the editor and click Save. This is the most important part. Without saving, your changes won't appear on the storefront. After saving, use the preview in the editor or open your storefront in a new tab. Most themes display these icons in the footer by default, and many also show them in the header. The exact styling, color, size, and hover effects comes from your theme, so the icons should blend right in with your design. If you don't immediately see the icons, give the page a quick refresh and check on mobile as well. As long as the links are saved in theme settings under social media, compatible themes will render them automatically where designed. That's it. Your Shopify store now points visitors to your social channels, helping you grow audiences and